Good morning, students. Today we will start chapter number 16, that is the work we do. So let's get started. We all must be able to fulfill our basic needs in order to live and survive happily. Any such work that helps us to earn money is called occupation. We have to do some kind of work to earn money. Money is necessary to buy food, clothes, and things of our daily use. We will study about different kinds of occupations in this chapter. Different human beings are skilled in different activities. Their occupation are dependent on their talents and skills. So let us study. Firstly, we will study about farming, which is classified into two parts, that is dairy farming and poultry farming. As most of India's population is rural, farming is the main occupation of our country. Food grains, sugarcane, tea, coffee, and spices are grown in our country. Many people work in the fields to produce these crops. These people are known as farmers. Many industries depend upon farming. Cotton, jute, wool, and silk are used for making cloth, while sugarcane and oil seeds are used for making sugar and oil, respectively. All these are grown in farms. Let us talk about dairy farming. Dairy farming is practiced by farmers on a large scale. A large number of domesticated animals are kept on dairy farm. The animals provide farmers with milk and milk products. Cows, buffaloes, goats, and sheep are reared in farms as they help farmers in several ways. While goats, cows, and buffaloes produce milk, as well as sheep gives us wool. Poultry farming is also practiced by farmers on a large scale. On a poultry farm, domesticated birds are kept for eggs and meat. The main purpose of poultry farms are to serve eggs and meats to the public. These are some pictures of poultry farming. The next occupation we will study about is fishing. In the coastal areas, fishing is the main livelihood. It is the basic source of the people to live. Nets and boats are used to catch fishes. There are many factories in coastal areas where the processing of fishes is done. The fishes, when caught, are processed and then sent to markets for sale. Lastly, we will study about mining. Mining is the main occupation of the people residing in areas that are rich in mineral resources like iron, coal, mica, and petroleum. Mining is the activity of removing minerals from the ground by digging. We get many kinds of metals from minerals. Metals like iron and steel, aluminium, copper, etc. are used for making big coins we use are also made of these metals. Several people are employed in these activities. Some work in industries while other people work in mines. Thank you, students. I hope you are clear with the chapter. Have a nice day.